Hi guys, so today I want to talk to you about the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15. Now these are two lists of produce that you may have heard of before and wondered, what on earth am I supposed to do with this information? So the Dirty Dozen is a list of produce that we find in our grocery stores, and it basically contains a list of the produce most likely to contain pesticides, while the Clean 15 are less likely to contain pesticide residues. So how do we apply this to our daily lives? How does it help us? Well, for me, it means that when money is tight and I have to make a decision between purchasing something organically or something that is non-organic, if it is on that Dirty Dozen list, I choose to purchase it organically if I can, if at all possible. And the Clean 15 are kind of the ones that I can let go and not purchase organically if the money isn't there. So I wanted to share with you today, though, some additional information that I found quite interesting from the Environmental Working Group's 2017 report on the Clean 15 and the Dirty Dozen. So every year, the Environmental Working Group does a bunch of testing on the produce found in our grocery stores and determines what is on this list. And so there are some interesting findings to share with you. So in over 98% of the produce tested that were strawberries, spinach, peaches, nectarines, cherries, and apples tested positive for at least one pesticide. And 70% of non-organic produce samples tested positive for pesticides. So just as a whole. So that in and of itself is concerning. Three things that really stood out to me. One were strawberries. They had a number of samples of strawberries that contained over 20 different pesticides. That is really scary, guys. So where you can, please purchase your strawberries organically. Second was spinach. Spinach contained on average 2 times as much pesticides per weight of produce than other crops. So to me, that's just terrifying, and I'm never going to buy non-organic spinach again. And these, the chemicals that they were finding were mold and mildew killers, neurotoxic bug killers, and DDT. So definitely things that we want to limit our exposure to. The third item that I found to be quite interesting were pears. So when they tested pears, they had 2 times as many pesticide residues on them as they did in 2010, in the 2010 report. So that's a 50% increase in pesticide residues on pears. So something that we want to try to avoid purchasing inorganically. And some of the toxins that they were finding on these pears are known from other research to cause issues with males and male fertility and hormone regulation. So that's something that's very important to me. So where I can, I'm going to purchase my pears organically. They also found a chemical that is banned in Europe currently because it's known for being cancer causing. So I don't want to eat that. I don't know about you, but I don't want to eat that because we tend to be behind the 8 ball in terms of banning some of these chemicals compared to where Europe is at. So I'm going to read you quickly a very quick list of the Dirty Dozen for 2017, starting with strawberries, spinach, nectarines, apples, pears, peaches, cherries, grapes, celery, tomatoes, sweet bell peppers, and potatoes. And then on the Clean 15 list are sweet corn, avocados, pineapple, cabbage, onion, frozen sweet peas, papayas, asparagus, mangoes, eggplant, honeydew, kiwi, cantaloupe, cauliflower, and grapefruit. So those are the Clean 15. 2 things I want to mention there, sorry about my phone, is sweet corn and papayas are actually GMO products when they're coming out of the States. So that's just something to watch for. So with respect to those two, so sweet corn and papayas, personally, even though they're on the Clean 15 list, I would choose to buy them organically where you can. So I'm going to also provide you with a written document of the Clean 15 and the Dirty Dozen for you to print off and use at the grocery store if you need. And if you have any comments or questions, please post them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye.